Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to record presentation in Canvas, and I am going to give you a step by step breakdown throughout the video. I will request you to watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already designed our portfolio and we are going to convert it as our presentation. So for that reason, we will click over here in the share button. You will find out in the top in the right corner. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you are allowed to see many like bunch of options that place. So here you need to be click on see all button. It will be three dot button. Just click over here, and now you can see that we have option like present, then present and record, and we need to be click this option. Once we click over here, it will give you options like record yourself while talking over a presentation, share with student, friends or colleagues using a public view link. So just click over here, go to reading option, and then it will ask you to allow while visiting the site. Just click over here, and then it will also ask for your camera again. Then you can see we need to be take out our via mic. So once we complete it, now you need to be click on set recording. Once you click over here, it will take a while, and now your recording has been started. So whatever you will be talked throughout the presentation, it will be recorded here, and you are now allowed to present your topic over your student and friends. So here you can see it will recording, and if you click over here pause, it means it will be stopped, and here you can see that recording is ongoing and the second is been going on. So let's end the recording and just click over here, and you can see it will be complete and uploading your recording. So keep this browser window. So your recording is ready right now. So let's click on the download, and it will take a while, and then it will download it to our computer, so we can allow it to hear the voice and the presentation to see. So we need to be wait a while for the completion of download. So finally you can see our download has been completed here, and now we can preview our design. So we need to be go on our desktop, and we need to be visit on download option, and here you can see recording our option, our presentation, and you can see all the things present you're doing perfectly. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found out this video is literally helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.